There we go. So you can just cut them out using some paper scissors. Let me get my little tray goodies. So you can just use some paper scissors to cut round your letters. So I'll cut one out for you to see. And then you can either make like a little card to go inside it, or you could write a secret message on the inside of your envelope. Or you could use them as templates to make more little letters if you want your owl to be a little messenger owl. So I'll just show you how they fold together, but they're quite simple. I've just found these templates using good old Google. So there's lots of little envelope templates available. You can just find them, make your own. There we go. So here's my letter. So you can just fold on the dotted lines. I'll just fold inwards so that the dotted lines are hidden on the inside. Just fold all your flaps in to make your little letter. Just like that. And then the other side can fold down. So you've got a little letter like that. And it should fit. Well, that one is a bit big, so maybe I fold it a little bit smaller. Smaller on one side. They should fit inside the pocket, so you might have to adjust them a bit or make some little postcards that will fit across. Maybe I change the size. Oh, that one is okay. So you can make some little postcards or some letters for your owls.